Hello, retro community. I need help. I bought in Japan this toy. It's a Taito Densha de Go portative. I tried everything. I check every detail. I change this capacitor for on new. I change every detail except this. This. Sorry for except this to Q2 and Q1. These details I'm not checked. Every else details, all capacitors, all resistors, all diodes I checked. I check vibrator, it working. I check everything. I check all rods, all points that from both sides is connected, but it not helping me. Maybe you have practice or some knowledge about this. All parts on their places and everything checked. I don't know what is the problem. Everything on their places. Now I take it together and show you how it's working. I take it all together. All batteries are here. Now look. On button doesn't do anything except screen lighting. It's not turning on the device. But if I push button cancel, when I can play, I can choose games, I can do everything. Start, I can change traces, start, and I can play game. You can see it. Now I take off the brakes and the game starts. The train is coming. But if I receive or not receive, if I let go this button, the screen is off, but the game still running. Screen off, game running. Sound present. What is this problem? I don't know. I tried everything. You see it. Maybe you know something about this problem. Need your help. Thank you for watching. You see?